Today on Delph Stack, I will show you how to fix packet loss in Google Chrome. First, check how your computer is connected to the internet. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired connection. An Ethernet cable gives a direct link to your router, which is more stable. Next, close any apps that use a lot of internet. Sometimes cloud sync tools like OneDrive or Dropbox use your bandwidth in the background. Other times you may have large downloads or streaming services running on your computer or on other devices connected to the same network. All of these can cause slow internet and packet loss. Close them so Chrome can get full bandwidth. Now change your DNS settings on Windows, open Control Panel, and go to Network and Internet. Click Network and Sharing Center, then click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your active network and select Properties. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4. Choose the option to use a custom DNS server. Set the preferred DNS to 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS to 8.8.4.4. These are Google DNS servers. Click OK and restart Chrome. Also check if your security software is causing the problem. Sometimes antivirus programs or firewalls block or drop data by mistake. To test this, you can turn off your antivirus or firewall for a short time. If packet loss stops after turning it off, then the software is the cause. Do not leave it off. Instead, add an exception for Google Chrome so the program does not block Chrome again. After trying all these steps, open Chrome again and test your internet. You should see fewer drops and smoother browsing. Thanks for watching.